Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay on your Apple Watch. To begin, open the Watch app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Wallet and Apple Pay. Then, select Add Card and follow the simple steps to input your credit or debit card details. Remember, your Apple Watch must have a passcode enabled for Apple Pay to function, ensuring your transactions are secure. This setup takes just a few moments. Making a purchase with Apple Pay is incredibly simple. When you're ready to pay, just double-click the side button on your Apple Watch. Your default card will appear. Then, hold the watch display a few centimeters from the store's contactless payment reader. You'll feel a gentle tap and hear a chime confirming your payment has been successfully processed. It's a quick and convenient way to complete your transactions. You can easily manage your payment cards. To set a default card, open the Watch app on your iPhone, go to Wallet and Apple Pay, and select your preferred card. If you have multiple cards, after double-clicking the side button, simply swipe left or right on your watch screen to choose a different card before holding it near the reader. This flexibility allows you to use the right card every time. Apple Pay prioritizes your security and privacy. When you add a card, a unique, encrypted device account number is created and stored securely on your watch. Your actual card numbers are never stored on your device or on Apple's servers. Each transaction uses a one-time dynamic security code, meaning your card details are never shared with the merchant, keeping your financial information completely private and protected.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.